seems clearer than ever that Ukraine is about to strike back in a way it hasn't in more than 15 months.
At 9:02 p.m. Central Standard Time Saturday, Environment Canada has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Saskatchewan. Extra care and attention should be exercised in and around the following localities: Grand Coulee, Balgonie, Piapot Reserve, Wilcox, Corinne, Estlin, Lajord, Kronau and Riceton. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a severe thunderstorm that is possibly producing a tornado. Damaging winds and large hail are also possible. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. Please consult local media for more information.
Republican Senator Lindsey Graham met Ukraine's president as America's own debt ceiling deadline